Monday morning.
Yeah.
So it's not just when you're at work that Mondays are shit. They can be shit even when you're out cruising in the Azores. We were going to leave Horta, but we're completely fouled. The anchor and chain are utterly fouled. To give you an idea of where we are Peter's Bar is straight across there, and there's the fishing dock area. And the picture with the whale is across there, looking across to Pico. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the water. No, can't see it. It's like a big fishing float or something. We're just waiting for Norberto divers to get back to us. So I don't know when we're going to be able to go anywhere.
But we do have 2 new inner shiny shrouds, which we fitted, and they're all in, hence being able to go. So that was one job done, and now we have another job.
And on top of that,
oh yes,
the anchor windlass blew up this morning. It slowed down and then just stopped. So we've looked at it, we've changed the solenoid thing. Everything's fine, all the cables are fine, nothing wrong with any of it, so we think the motor's gone again. So that happened too.
14 months.
Yeah, it's only lasted 14 months. Loughran's Cobra, 14 months. That's it. Gone. Monday morning.
Yeah.
So it's not just when you're at work that Mondays are shit. They can be shit even when you're out cruising in the Azores. Alright, so here's an update then. It's 5:30 in the evening and we've got our anchor lifted by the guys from Norberto Diving. Cost us €80. Took them about 15 minutes. Nice job, guys.
Thank you.
Came out really nice, really professional, and cleared it. It was wrapped around some big old anchor. But there you go, that's life. We're now free, we're heading out of Horta, heading away from Horta, which is there behind us. There is Horta, and there's Pico. Over there is Sao Miguel, and we've got some wind. So only about 11 knots at the moment, but 11 knots will take it. We've got 151 miles to go, and we should be there at about, I don't know, midnight tomorrow. Depends how fast we sail, of course. We might be there sooner. Pico. There's loads of sheer waters.
End of day one as we make our way down the channel between Pico, who's behind the cloud there, in the glorious sunset. As you can see, the wind vane is set up, and Sao Jorge over there, nice and steady. We've just had some food and we've got 10 knots downwind, not making a great deal of speed for
5.6, between 4.5 and 6 knots. So it's pretty good, pretty good.
It's enough. It's fine. It's good. Take us into the night. The moon's up. Just had a visit from some dolphins as we were toodling on down. So all good. Into the night we go.
It's about 7 o'clock in the morning and the sun's coming up. We're making good progress. It's been a quiet night. It's all good. It's actually quite chilly this morning. It's the coldest morning that we've had since we've been back from the Caribbean. It's all togged up with hats, and neck scarves, and coats and jumpers. Alison's off watch and I am just poddling along. My turn to be on watch. Beautiful morning. We are live, not really, on board sailing vessel Nova Vita. We are heading for somewhere.
We are heading for Ponta Delgada, which is the island of Sao Miguel in the Azores. We left Horta, which is on the island of FOULED, which was how many miles? Can't remember, about 150, that's it, 150 miles that way, yesterday after retrieving our anchor. And apart from doing a little bit of motoring along the channel between Pico and Sao Jorge, we've been sailing the rest, and it's a beautiful day. 6 knots of boat speed, about 11-12 knots of wind, and the sun is out and it is warm. We're just feeling a little bit chilly because it's not as warm as we've been used to.
It's definitely not as warm here as it was in the Caribbean.
Because we've got our hats on and our fleeces on, and I've actually still got my boots on.
You got matchy hat and shirt. You look all like cool and trendy. You look cold.
And a little bit like Burr, but I think that might be because we might be a little bit tired as well.
Yeah.
Oh, my time to go to sleep. Lovely. Yeah. So John will be on watch for probably about 2-3 hours, and I shall go and get some sleep, and then we'll do a swap-a-ramo, because at this speed we might actually get in tonight just when it's getting dark. But we know Ponta Delgada, so we're not fussed about that, because we know how to get in even in the dark.
You might even get in time for a special cup of tea.
Oh, judge for yourself, see what you think. And the good news is we've got some Atlantic spotted dolphins come to play with us. Hold on, I'll show you. Well, I'll try to show you if I don't slip over it again.
We're here. I don't know where they've gone. think it's amazing. It's been a really good windy bit. Pretty good windy bit.
A good windy bit.
The wind is winding again today.
Not tired much, are we? We can't quite string a sentence together much, but hey, you get the gist.
I have had 5 hours sleep in the last 48.
I've had a bit more, but it wasn't particularly restful. But hey, when we get there, we can sleep as much as we like.
We've dropped the sails, we've run out of wind, the wind got down to 4 knots, we have about 8 miles to go, and we're not going to quite make it in before the sun sets, but it's been a really cracking sail.
Certainly has, it's been really good. We reckon that we've probably sailed about 95% of it with good wind, all over 5 knots, so that's perfect for us.
We've got to go up just around that headland. It's about 2 miles beyond that is Ponta Delgada, and then that's it for the season.
Been a good season. It's been a mixed bag. It's been a mixed bag of a season with lots of stuff gone wrong and breaking and repairing and travelling lots of different places, so it's been a real mixed bag of a season, and well, tell you more when we get to Ponta Delgada.
Look at that. That's our last sunset at sea for this season. Got about 5 miles to go, and that's it for this season. And then we've got some work to do on board. We're popping back to the UK because we've got to leave because of the whole Schengen thing, and then we're coming back. And we're going to decide where's next. Is it north or is it south? We haven't decided. We love the north, but we do like, despite from what you've seen on the other videos, things can go wrong and it can be a bit stressful. We actually really enjoy the long ocean passages. So who knows? We'll see.